So level one to activate your glutes is actually to start on your back and kind of just relax there. Think about a corpse pose that you would see in yoga and go ahead and squeeze your glutes. This is the easiest position to get your glutes squeezed. Try to lift your hips off the ground by squeezing those glutes. Now, if you aren't sure what you're doing, place your hands under your glutes and then a good squeeze. And hopefully you should feel them contracting under your hand. Now, level two to activate your glutes will require you to roll over onto your belly. And you can place your forehead on a roll towel if you need some extra support. Just make sure your head and neck are straight and in alignment with your spine. Now start by squeezing your glutes in this position. This is unbelievably, significantly harder to do. And if you want, you can certainly place your hands under your glutes. And if your hip flexors are really, really tight, you can work and foam roll that kind of the front of the hip and into the quad muscle. This will kind of help loosen those up so that your glutes can work a little bit better. Now, squeezing your glutes helps change the angle of your pelvis. It activates your abs, which pushes your pelvic bone into the floor, and that's totally normal. Now, if you can't feel your glutes fire here, just keep practicing. You may not get this on the first try, and just do it a little bit more, and it should come naturally to you. Now, step two for this is to squeeze your glutes one at a time. So try doing the right one first, then switch over to the left one. Unbelievable how challenging this may be at first, but isn't that how we walk? So if this is really tricky for you in this position, you may not be activating your glutes properly when you're walking or running. So keep up with this exercise. Another tip here to kind of get that glute muscle activated or the muscles firing is, I guess, kind of like a horse. When you're riding a horse, you whip him in the butt so that he goes. Try slapping a cheek or two, and that might help you get that glute to fire. Good luck.